Hey guys, welcome to another video. We just hitting a couple of local streams today, me and Boone. Brownie in hand here. Yeah, good day. So, I'm sure you guys will enjoy this one. Got a few fish to the net already, and yeah, you're about to watch it. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that shit. Chat. Bam.
Cicada?
That was cicada eat. Cicada eat. Little brownie.
Is it?
Little young brownie.
Woohoo! Smashed that cicada.
It did. Oh no, I've got a bit of a wrap up going on.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful little brownie.
Little brownie.
Oh yeah.
Just a little one.
On the
Oh, fucking hell. Montes. Oh, look at that. Fucking gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Alright.
How's that, eh?
Yep. Put it back.
Back of the drink.
Shut, little brownie.
Epic. Right underneath there. Oh, he looked at it. He looked at it.
Yep. How?
That's the big boy.
How?
How did that happen, Sam?
Yeah, he took it underwater, everything.
That was a rock,
Oh, that's two big dogs we've lost this morning.
that sucked.
That was one of the most half-assed bow casts I've ever seen. Yep. Oh no!
Holy fuck!
Brownie took himself out of the water.
Brownie, bro.
Yep. On the nymph. Brown. Yep. Little one. Oh, it's a little bow. Strong little bow. Finally caught a fish out of this pool.
Well, we're just saying we never caught fish out of this pool before.
Yeah, here we are.
Still goes and hooks one.
On the nymph, unbelievable. Cool.
First time of the day.
Yeah, it is
Number
actually.
3 for the stream. Awesome.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Pretty little bow. Oh, fucking later, mate.
And he's off.
On.
Sick.
Gone.
Epic. See how long it was sitting there for?
I know, so I said just leave it. My rod's just here by the fence. So.
Yeah. And then he's just like, I'll have it. You know what? I'll have it.
Did this?
It's a pretty nice bow.
Is it a bow, is it?
Yeah, it's a good one though.
Thought it was a brownie.
Good fat little bow.
Oh, he's almost in the net. Oh, it's a good bow.
He's just cracking.
Oh, yep.
Epic.
Nice bow. Oh shit. Oh shit.
He came like 2 meters for that.
Fuck, he's got me under the... Oh, there we go. Fucking angry little bow. Oh, I know. That was cracker.
So far to eat that too.
That was cracker.
What was it?
He wanted it.
He really wanted it. He destroyed that thing.
Juggle him. Hey, little cicada muncher.
He fucking destroyed him. Yeah. Bro, there's a big fish here. There's a big one here. Yeah. Yep. Good brown. Big brown. Big brown. Big rosy brown. Fuck yeah, bro.
Oh, he's like clumsy.
Yeah, bro. He's not actually the same gold one.
He's not
rosy
the
one.
red one, he's just the big clumsy one. Probably not. Yep. He did. Oh shit.
Wow. Fuck, okay. You got an energy on him.
Cicadas in the rain. Oh. Yeah, he's... Oh shit. Oh shit. Got it? Yeah. Go on. I'm gonna move one. Oh, yep. He fucking ate it. He ate it. That's nuts.
Did you see him come over?
Yeah, bro.
I was like, should I just imagine that? Did that
Oh shit. You're gonna have to go out there, bro, and steer him back down. Oh no, here he comes. Here he comes. We're good, we're good.
That was so cool, bro.
That was very cool. Oh.
That was so cool, bro. Oh, the fucking log every time.
Here he comes. That was some classy fishing.
That was epic.
try it, but see him. I can't believe it. All right, I'm coming.
I literally just dropped it in the water, eh?
I know, it was ridiculous.
After all that, I kept him in the easiest way possible.
In the stupidest fucking spot.
I just drop it in the water. Big dog, bro.
I know, this was he's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is all blacky tail.
Oh yeah.
No, there's a big one in this one.
Oh, trippy. Yeah, bro, I literally just dropped it on the water. I saw him coming back. I was like, well. Beautiful fish.
I'll speak this one before up in the next run.
Like he just come up real slow. Today's a banger, bro. What a banger day.
Yeah, this
Did you get me on the bank? Holy crap! Holy crap! That was insane. He destroyed that. He destroyed that, bro. Not a happy fish. That's probably the most insane eat I've ever seen. That was crazy.
I'm surprised he ate it in so much drag.
Yeah, bro. Oh my god! Holy shit.
I was thinking, oh no, I'm gonna have to go up further and so it doesn't drag on the water, you know, like high stick it over him.
Yeah.
He just fucking rammed it like fucking. Yeah. I know. It was random. Pitch you down. Beautiful. Oh, yep. Nah. Little brownie.
I was trying to put a fly on my rod, and 30 seconds later, after that last fish, there was on another brown. I think we hit it on probably the best day of the year. It is.
Oh, it was just knew it was going to be a good time to go, eh?
That rain just triggers them. It's a very cool little brown.
Not quite. Oh no. Where is he?
Oh,
Did he come off?
Oh well.
Was that me fly in that bush? Can you grab that out? Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Some days you're like, fuck, we suck at fishing, eh? And other days it's like, bro, we're fucking amazing.
Oh! Nah, I think it was just a little bow. Oh, you know what? Brown. Another brown. Nice one, this one. It was a good choice to come here, I think.
Oh my god.
Good number 2 stream for the day.
Yes. Good call.
Another beautiful brown.
To be honest, it wasn't exactly a easy decision, but I'm real glad we came here.
Yeah.
We had to sit and think about it for a while.
I know. I don't know how we're going to land this one.
Probably just here.
Just going to have to Real pretty one, this one.
Oh, that's a big drop off. That's a big drop off. That's a big drop off.
Oh no. Got him? Yeah, got him.
I'm gonna fall in.
Don't fall in.
I'm gonna fall in.
Don't fall in.
I'm falling in.
You're gonna, oh, what a bar of gold.
Beautiful, bro.
What a pretty one.
Wow. Round.
What an absolute beautiful little bar of gold.
Awesome.
Beautiful. Long throw release, mate.
Oh, donkey brownie. Go around the other side, I reckon. In front. Oh, actually, no, I don't know. Oh, it's a big brownie. Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Maybe this side, bro. I might just get out your way.
I wasn't even recording for that beautiful eat.
Oh, he came out of nowhere.
Oh no. Oh, that's nowhere. Hold on. No, there we go. Got some ground. That's a good brown. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck off, eh? Did he come out? You still got him? Yeah, he fucking jumped out the bastard. Oh, come on, mate. He's a fucking good fish. Sorry, bro. Yep. Okay, I got him this time.
Good.
So we just pulled this fish out of here. Oh, what a day. Number 14, is it?
Yeah.
Heaps of mean brownies today.
10 browns, 4 bows.
Yep, beautiful.
On the cicada in
Later,
that.
mate. All cicada eats. Fucking hell.
Just drop a Bro.
How beautiful is that? Oh no, he's going to run me.
Yeah. Do you want me to go down the back pool or this pool?
I'll come back up.
Dude, he was just cruising.
Oh, I know. I was like, where did he come from? Beautiful eat too.
Bro. Beautiful jack. Just cruising the back corner. Cruising that back corner.
Oh, really nice. Bronzy. Well guys, what a day. About 15 odd fish to the net, I think. All but 4 were browns. Could be wrong on the numbers, might be more, I'm not sure. Could be less. Definitely up around there. Probably the best day me and Ben have probably had on the locals probably ever. I don't know, we've had some pretty close to it days, but not as good as today. It was just so fucking good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a pretty banger video, this one. Don't forget to hit that old subscribe button and the like, thumbs up button, and even that little bell, I think, and let you know when we upload another one. Bloody brilliant. Alright, check us out on Facebook, Troutfix NZ, main Ben Kiwi Fisher. Chat. Catch us on the next one. Whew.